good dog is a hot dog. Hey, will you quiet down back there?
Buddy, take it easy. Take it easy on them.
Dogs kill if they want to win so much. What's wrong, Ralph? We ain't getting nothing sitting around here.
Who says I'm too old for stuffed animals?
Hey, boss, I got something.
Yeah, too bad there's no cure.
Look at this. That must be the biggest bum I ever seen in my life.
Hey, let me see that.
It must be from a horse. Or a rhinoceros. Or prehistoric mastodon.
Good job, Pete. You found my bone.
Your bone, boss?
Sure, I hit it here yesterday.
Man, just my luck.
You know what? I think I hear somebody coming. Why don't you go check it out?
Alright.
Suck it.
Yo, Bob, you was right. There is somebody coming. It's those two pets from the alley.
The pets. Let me see. Hold still.
Boss,
I'm gonna jump.
oh, you gotta lose some weight. You're heavy.